Hello, I'm Hadi Eshpari. I'm a senior research scientist at Tillamook Creamery Association. I take pride of connecting dairy farmers to food lovers and dairy lovers. I want it to be mentally and technically challenging. The job that I have now as a senior research scientist is exactly that. It's really a combination of different fields of science, all the way from chemistry to physics, to engineering and processing. You are typically working on the recipes on the benchtop. Some days we are in the pilot plant making the same recipes on a larger scale. The beauty of food science is that there's always jobs for food scientists, and there are so many aspects of the food industry that you can get involved in. My advice for any student is if they really love food and they have passion for science and they want to work on a field that you can taste the outcome of your experiment, food science is the field to be in.